In this tutorial, we'll learn how to save curated data from an Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence data flow to an Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse external data source. Data flows can be used to export curated and transformed data, making it easy for me to share datasets with others who can connect to the same Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse data source. In this scenario, I want to load my combined data from two subject areas into an external Autonomous AI Lakehouse data source. I'll begin with a data flow with two subject areas. The HCM Workforce Course subject area extracts the department, people, location, and performance ratings columns. The HCM Performance Management subject area extracts the person's identifier, goals ratings, manager name, review period, and performance task status columns. I added a simple join between the two subject areas to combine the data I selected from the two subject areas. I specified to keep matching rows and join the subject areas using the Person Identifier column. I'll save the data. The data flow feature has many options to transform my data. For example, I can add, select, rename, and transform columns if needed. For this example, I combined data from two subject areas, but I could also add datasets from other connections or local files if I needed to. I can save the curated data as a dataset in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence or to a database connection. In this case, I will save it to the Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse database connection. I'll select the Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse connection already created in my instance. I'll verify the output table name, which is Workforce Performance Ratings. I can replace the existing data or add new data to the existing table. I'll choose to replace the data in existing tables in my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse connection. I'll verify that my column characteristics are set and ready to go. For this data flow, I'll change the Person Identifier data type to attribute. Now I'll save the data flow and run it. When the process completes, the curated data from the two subject areas will be saved to my Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse external data source as a new table. Now that I've created a data flow to curate and transform Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence data, the dataset can be reused by my team for analysis. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.